Today I want to share with you a great solution from the folks at Bona to quickly clean all your hard surface floors. The Bona Multi-Surface Floor Care Kit is the one system you need for your complete floor care. It comes with a mop, hardwood floor cleaner, stone, tile, and laminate floor cleaner, and a microfiber cleaning pad. Assembling the mop is super simple and takes only minutes. Let's get started. To begin, set out the 4 mop pole pieces. Starting with the pole piece that has the handle, connect a middle section pole by inserting the pole and pressing on the button to lock it into place. Next, attach the second middle section pole in the same way. Lastly, attach the final piece that has the mop base connector at the end. Your mop pole should look like this. Next, set the mop base down with the Bona logo facing forward. Hold the mop at the bottom of the pole with the silver O-ring facing forward and guide the connector piece into the base until you hear a click. The Bona Multi-Surface Floor Care Kit comes with a microfiber cleaning pad that is both reusable and washable. To attach, simply lay the pad on the ground with the Bona logo printing facing up. Then place the mop base squarely on top of it. To remove, peel off slowly from one of the corners. That's it! Now that everything is assembled, we're ready to start cleaning. A feature of the Bona microfiber mop that I love is the extra large base plate for quicker cleaning. The Multi-Surface Floor Care Kit comes with effective, ready-to-use cleaners for both your hardwood floors and other hard surface floors like stone, tile, laminate, and vinyl. This kit really has everything I need to make my floors look beautiful. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy your Bona Multi-Surface Floor Care Kit. For more information on this and other Bona products, visit bona.com.